How many L1s did you teach?
I know it was over 300.
The non-intentional training you get as a world-class speaker, being able and willing to take any question. I mean, you've heard the most absurd questions. You've heard people put you on the spot in the weirdest way. You've been in the room with the creepiest people, the coolest people, and you were just, that wasn't even the intention, right? But you have
Right.
that. Do you feel that? Are you like, holy shit, I'm good? Like I went in there green as fuck, and now I'm like, fuck, I'll go on the Sevan podcast. You let that little fuck try to ask me something crazy.
You know what it is, where you become really confident is when you have the confidence to have the answer be, "I don't know."
Ah, dude, dope.
That's like a level of confidence that, because at first you feel like if they ask me and I'm in this position of, like, authority, I need to know the answer, and so people just make shit up, right? Or they, like, fumble around with it or whatever. A really confident person in a situation is somebody that's like, "You know what? I don't know the answer to that question." Even if it's something that maybe based on my education I should know, being able to say I don't know, because no one knows everything, and people appreciate when you're just honest about that. But it took me a while to get to that point. Another skill that you pick up is hearing the same question 300 times, because there are certain questions that are just asked to every single one, and still giving the person respect to, first of all, finish their question, and then giving them an answer that seems like it's the very first time that anyone's ever asked you that. That's a skill, and I mean that's a skill that helps with parenting big time, where you're just like letting them finish their long run on question or sentence. That's definitely something that I learned at the seminars also.